Okay, what is up, guys? Just give me 2 seconds. I just need to start streaming this to Discord here. Yeah, you can get on my Discord chat live, guys. So this is the first video I'm gonna be doing in a series of videos of YouTube tutorials. So guys, welcome to top tech tutorials today. And today I'm gonna be showing you the basics of just setting up a YouTube channel and I've been requested to like do a video like this. So yeah, we're gonna be doing that today, guys. So I hope you like that. Turn on notifications, guys. Subscribe for more. There's gonna be more YouTube tutorials, Discord tutorials, other just tech tutorials. So if you guys want to know, I'm doing this on Mac OS, obviously, as it looks. So we're just gonna go over to Safari to start doing some. Obviously, you can see I've already been here on YouTube. So we're gonna make a new So guys, today, so basically what you're gonna do first is you're gonna go to your settings here and you're gonna go down to settings. Okay, here we go, guys. So we're in settings now. Now you're gonna see, you see this here? I'm hovering over it. It says add or manage your channel. So that's, you're gonna click on that. There's a lot of accounts that I've made. So you're gonna click the up here, create a new channel. Now, what if you want to make it? So I'm streaming this. I haven't even made my my channel yet. So I'm just gonna type in top tech tutorials. Top tech tutorials. I'm gonna create. Okay, I should okay, so we're gonna upload a video later. I'm gonna do a video on how to upload a video, and we want to go. I'm gonna get a picture, profile picture here. So we're gonna go and just search up tech pictures here. Okay, give me a second, guys. Okay, images. And this probably won't be my actual this looks pretty good. So we're just gonna choose this one, say, so you're gonna, if you're on Microsoft, you probably right click it. So since I'm on Apple, I'm gonna double click, and then that'll come up with this little window here. Sometimes it doesn't come up with that, I don't know why, but like just keep clicking, it'll eventually come up. That's what I've learned. So we're gonna go to save image to downloads. Then we're gonna go back here and we're gonna click here, edit. Okay, here we go. So it should send you to this about me on Google page. You're gonna press upload photo, and then it's gonna go here. So it's gonna go to your desktop automatically. So you want to click recents. It's not in recents. You're gonna go and it's not. Okay, now I'm gonna try and find it. It's gonna be here. Okay, here we go. So we found that image, and now we're gonna go choose that image. Okay, it's just loading, guys. Alright, there. Now we're gonna click done. That should be good there, guys. Okay, now it's loaded. Now we're gonna go okay. So if you want to recenter that, you can just click that and then go through that whole process again and just recenter it if you don't think it's centered. Now we can X out this tab. X out this tab too. We gotta go back to YouTube now, guys. Okay, now it's updated, as you can see, top tech tutorials. Now I'm gonna go back to your channel. We're gonna go customize channel. Now you can do a lot here. There's Video Manager, which I'll show you a few things about Video Manager when I'm in another video where I actually have videos. Okay, so here it'll normally show all your videos and your comments and everything, so you can go and just tune settings and stuff on your videos. Like when you're about to upload a video, like I normally upload it from my editing program, so it'll upload here to my Video Manager. And so so if you want to upload a video, you just go to your channel, you click your channel, and then in the top right, as I've just shown you, you gotta click. You're gonna click. I'll go back to show you guys. So you're gonna come to your channel like this if you want to upload a video, and the video should be uploading as you're doing that. You're gonna click Video Manager again here, guys. and then so here should be the video appearing that you wanna post to YouTube, and then you're just gonna click that video and you can change settings and stuff. I'll show you that in another video. So that's all for this video, guys. I'm not gonna do toolbar art in this video, guys. I'm not gonna do that because I still need to edit and like make it, and it takes a long time to do toolbar art, guys. So thank you. Subscribe and turn notifications on for more. Comment down what other tech tutorials you think I should do. This is gonna be a lot of as you can see, a lot of YouTube tutorials, guys. So yeah, I hope you like this video, guys. And like and subscribe, turn notifications on not to miss anything else, and I will see you in another video.